Hello everybody, how are you today? My name is Mickey Mouse. Do you remember me? Yes, I'm from Chida Lighting, and today I bring a new design to you. Okay, let me show you. Dun, 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 dun. Microwave radar sensor floodlight. What's the advantage of this light? Okay, let me show you one by one. Number one, the lamp body is made of high-quality aluminum ingots, which are molded one pieces through die casting process. And number two, the structure of the lamp body is similar to a honeycomb. When the lamp is working, such a structure can well dissipate heat generated by the LED. And number three, the dimensions of this light are 17 cm in length and wide, and 3 cm in height. And we have a pattern for the design of the lamp body structure, so we can give you a unique advantage in the local market if you are a wholesaler. Number four, use of 4 mm thick tempered glass not only protect the LED chips, but also has very good light transmission. Number five, refractor of Dopp's electric plating process not only has 120-degree aluminum angles, but also has reflection function, which ensures the consistency of light direction and avoid light leakage from other parts of the lamp body. And number six, the power of this product is 50 watts, and the input voltage is 165 to 265 volts. Okay, let me show you. Jack, please help me turn off the light. As you can see, the lamp is very bright. Okay, maybe I show you like this way. Very bright. 50 watts with sufficient power, and using 2A35 package LED lamp base. And the lumen is 90 per watt. Waterproof grade is IP66. And there are two color temperature of white and warm light can be selected. Okay, turn on the light. Many functions, right? Okay. We still have number seven. More than 50% power saving with microwave radar induction system. For example, the light starts to work when it is dark, and when it detects objects such as people, animals, and vehicles passing by, the light will automatically light up. And when the object leaves 20 seconds later, it will automatically turn off the light. Fully automatic monitoring, no need for human control. Those can save electricity. And number 8, here is the point. Let me introduce his brother to you. Okay, wait. Dun dun. This is RGB floodlight with remote control. And they are the same of material and structure. But the difference is this lamp is using 4 kinds of LED chips: red, green, blue, and white. Let me show you. We connect the wire first. As you can see, now here is the automatic dimming, and we can use the remote control change the color. Now we change into red, green, blue, and white. You see? And we can see here is many color on the remote control, and here is up and down. We use this remote control can flexibly adjust the 20 lighting effect and brightness of the light to suit different scenes. It is particularly suitable for garden lighting, indoor atmosphere, and other scenes. Okay. Number 9, there is 2 tile wipes. One is 1.2 meters. 1.2 meters wire with plug, and the other is 25 centimeters standard wire. It can be wired by yourself, okay? Alright. This is a very energy saving and convenient lens. Do you like it? If you have any questions and ideas, please contact me. And thank you for your watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.